Good morning, students. Now let us come to class 8 maths first B exercise. In previous period or previous lecture we already saw about first A, where we have already seen about rational numbers and how to arrange rational numbers in ascending order or descending order. Now let us see about representation of rational numbers on number line. In previous classes, maybe in 7th or 6th, you have already learned about how to represent natural numbers on number line, or whole numbers or integers. Maybe if someone asks you to represent natural number 3 and 4, so how you would do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that way, and you would put darkened dot here over 3 and 4. So this way we used to plot natural numbers. Similar was the way for whole numbers and integers as well. Now we will be dealing about how to represent rational numbers on number line. Okay, now let us see. Is this a rational number? Yes, because it's of the form A upon B. We have already seen in previous exercise any number of the form A upon B where B is not equals to 0. Where B is not equals to 0, such form numbers are known as rational numbers. So this is a rational number because it's of the form A upon B and B is not equals to 0. Okay, it's clear it's rational number, but how to represent this on number line? Representation is also easy. So for representing any rational number on number line, you draw a number line using pencil or scale, anything, but it must be straight. For time being, I am doing it randomly, just that way. Now 1 upon 3, what fraction it is, proper or improper? This is proper fraction because numerator is smaller than denominator. So all the proper fractions, all the positive proper fractions will always lie from 0 to 1. Or if we divide this one with 3, you will be getting something 0.3333 something. Clear? Add 1 0, 0.33 is 9, 1 0, it will go on. It will give you something 0.33. That means 0.33 shows its value is 0.333 that way. So its value will lie somewhere between 0 and 1. This is sure that this is a rational number and its value will lie somewhere between 0 to 1. And this denominator shows into how many parts you have to break the fraction. 1, 2 and third already there. See, we have broken this into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And where you need to mark dot on first one. They are asking you to point on first one. This is 1 upon 3. Let us see one more time. If someone asks you for 2 upon 3, then this would have been 2 upon 3 because out of 3 parts they are asking about second part, so this would have been 2 upon 3. If someone asks about this one, what it is 3 upon 3. Out of 3 part you have considered the third part, that means ultimately 1. Okay, let us do some more parts. 2 upon 7, this is what? Again proper fraction. So all the proper fractions value will lie from 0 to 1. This keynote, all positive proper fraction will lie between 0 and 1, and for negative it will lie between 0 and -1. Clear? So this is again proper, so its value will lie between 0 and 1. First of all, let us make 0 and 1 here. Okay, now this 7 shows you have to break this 0 and 1 into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th already there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and they are asking about second part. So mark, start from here. This one is the 0 part. This one is 1, 2. This is 2 upon 7. If someone asks you for 3 upon 7, this would have been 3 upon 7. This would have been 4 upon 7. This would have been 5 upon 7. This would have been 6 upon 7. And ultimately 7 upon 7 means you would have reached on 1. I hope you all are getting that. Okay, that was the case for proper fractions. Now let us come for improper or mixed. By the way, it was already improper. 5 to the 12 plus 2, 12 upon 5. Clear? So this was improper fraction. So for improper fraction, you need to change them into mixed. Once you have changed them into mixed, from here you will be getting an idea. Here it is 2 whole 2 by 5. It means, let's take one example. If someone gives you 2.5 mark, it means they have given you 2 plus half. So we can write all the mixed fractions that way. 2 plus 2 upon 5. If someone gives you 3 whole 3 by 4, that means they have given 3 marks plus 3 by 4th mark. So same way, 2 whole 2 by 5 means 2 plus 2.5. Clear? It means 2 plus 2 by 5. That means now where this value will lie, this value will be lying after 2 and somewhere between 3, because in 2 they have added something, so definitely it's not less than 2. Clear? And this is what? Proper fraction, and all the proper fraction, you know, they lie between single value. That means between 2 and 3 it will be lying. Okay, now this 5 shows into how many parts you have to break this part? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. And on second you need to mark first, second. So 2 up till here, and second part you have to take out of 5. So out of these 5, second part you took. So this is 2 whole 2 by 5. This is 2 whole 3 by 5. This is 2 whole 4 by 5. This is 2 whole, if we talk about this part is 2 plus 5 by 5. Clear? 5 say 5 cancelled, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Ultimately you will reach on 3. I hope you all are getting it. Okay, now let's come to next. 4 whole 2 by 3. This again, how you will be getting? Now I hope you all are getting that. Now this is 4 plus something. 4 plus proper fraction. So definitely its value will lie between 4 and 5. This 3 shows into how many parts you have to break? 1, 2, third already there. You need to take the second one, second. So 4 up till here it came. You need to add something, you need to move that side. How much? Out of 3 second part, out of these 3 second part you need to take. So this is 4 whole 2 by 3. Now up till here I hope it was clear. Now let's move to some negative numbers. It's minus 1 by 3. Okay, minus 1 by 3. You know all positive proper fractions, they lie from 0 to 1, and all negative proper fractions lie from minus 1 to 0. They moves that way. Clear? So you will be getting its value between 0 to minus 1. Now same story. This is proper fraction because numerator is smaller than denominator, but negative source means it will be moving to this side, left side. Now break into 3 parts. 1, 2, third. They are talking about first part, so mark here. This is minus 1 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. This is minus 3 by 3. 3 is 3 cancelled, minus 1 left. Okay, let's do some more. It will be more clear to you. Now it's minus 1 whole by 3. That means it's this way. Minus 1 plus 2 by 3. Let's take minus 1 outside. So inside, how to write this 1 whole 2 by 3? How can you write this? 1 whole 2 by 3 means 1 plus 2 by 3. Okay. Now multiply with minus in both sides. Okay. That means this minus shows you have to move to that side. Minus 1, its value will lie somewhere between 1 and bigger than 1. That means between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. Minus 1 till here it came. Now you have to break this part source. You have to break into 3. 2, third already there. Second part you have to mark 1, 2. In case of negative, move to the left side. In case of positive, move to the right side. So this is minus 1 whole 2 by 3. Now come to the next part. Minus 2 whole 7. It means its value will lie between minus 2 and minus 3. In case of negative, number moves to the left. 8 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th already there. You need to take the 7th part. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is minus 2 whole 7 by 8. I'm solving these exercise questions. Now one let me take by myself. If someone asks you to plot 7 by 4, okay, very easy. How to take? This is improper. First change it into proper fraction. How much? 1 whole 3 by 4. We have changed this into mixed because this was improper fraction. For improper fraction, always change into mixed. Then you will be getting an idea. Its value will be lying between which two values? It will be greater than 1 and less than 2. This 4 shows 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4th over there. On third you need to want 1, 2, 3. So 1 whole 3 by 4 or 7 by 4, same. And if someone would have asked for minus, or someone would have asked minus 7 by 4, then it would have moved to this side. Same story, minus 1 whole 3 by 4. Its value would have lie between minus 1 and 2, somewhere here. Clear? Okay. I hope for first B exercise these questions are enough. Remaining I will be giving in homework that you do by yourself.